Today, I want to speak to you about an important step that we are taking as government, and that is the implementation of the National Dust Control Regulations. Dust pollution has long been a challenge in many parts of our country, especially in areas close to mining operations, industrial activities, and construction sites. For communities living nearby, this is not just an inconvenience, it is a daily reality that impacts health, livelihoods, and quality of life. The National Dust Control Regulations are designed to address this challenge directly. These regulations set clear limits on how much dust can be emitted into the air. They also require industries and operators to actively monitor, manage, and reduce dust emissions. This means that dust fallout must be measured regularly, reports must be submitted to authorities, and immediate action must be taken when limits are exceeded. Importantly, these regulations are not just about compliance, they are about accountability. Communities have the right to know what is happening in their environment. And through improved monitoring and reporting, we are strengthening transparency and ensuring that information is accessible. We are particularly focused on protecting vulnerable communities, especially those living near mining areas, industrial zones, and mine dumps. In places like these, dust can carry harmful particles that affect respiratory health and overall well-being. Let me be clear, non-compliance with these regulations will not be tolerated. We are strengthening enforcement, increasing inspections, and working closely with provincial and local authorities to ensure that all responsible parties meet their obligations. But we cannot do this alone. We call on industry to take responsibility and implement effective dust control measures. Communities must report concerns and participate in monitoring efforts, and all spheres of government must work together to enforce these regulations. Clean air is a right. It is not a privilege. The implementation of the National Dust Control Regulations is a critical step towards healthier communities, environmental justice, and sustainable development. Together, we can reduce dust pollution and improve the quality of life for all South Africans. Thank you.